King Pig, do you know why you're out here? Because I'm grounded, and this is my punishment. It's so hot out here. Do I really have to stay out here for the whole day? Yes, for all the bad things you've been doing. I don't believe these things you be doing. How's it this hot? It's only March. I don't know. The sun's making up its own rules. It's unbelievable. So damn hot. Remember, I can't stay out here. I had this rag over my head. Or dry cloth to make me warm. Well, I don't know. Well, you're so dumb. You're dumb for leaving me out here. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna sweat to death into a puddle. That's just too bad. I hate Redbird. Ugh. God damn. What is that thing? What is that? What is that thing? Is that a frog? Looks poisonous. Oh, poisonous. I know. I should put this on Redbird. Yes, but what should I touch it with so I don't get poisoned? The poison disease. I know. I'll use this dry cloth. Here we go. Oh, yes. Seems dead. It's not moving. King Pig, what do you have in your hand? Or your dry cloth? Oh, Redbird. I'll show you. Take this. Ow! What the hell is this, King Pig? It's a poisonous frog. Poisonous! Ugh. Oh. Oh my god. King Pig, I'm gonna get a poisonous disease thanks to you. Well, that's what you get for trying to make me die in the sweat. Oh my gosh. You're grounded. Oh. Wait a minute. I'm a bird. I won't get a poisonous disease from touching a frog. Wait a minute, you're right. Damn it! Another failed attempt. And now you're grounded.